Today we are making shrimp lo mein.
I can't let you go, baby. I just want to tell you that. No.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If this is the first time you're here, I'm Tara, a family nurse practitioner that loves sharing easy to make recipes that are not only super delicious, but also healthy. Over the past few weeks, we have been making better than takeout recipes. We made a chicken with broccoli, a sweet and sour chicken, beef and peppers, and a honey chicken. Today, we are making shrimp lo mein. This recipe comes together very quickly. I have some great hacks for you guys. Be sure you stay all the way through the end of the video. I know you guys love those recipe cards, so there's a recipe card at the end you could take a screenshot of for easy reference. If you're excited for Instant Pot recipes, give this video a big thumbs up, grab your Instant Pot, and let's make this super easy recipe. Here are the ingredients we'll be using for today's recipe. So I'm going to use udon noodles. You could also use Lomein noodles, some tamari, some oyster sauce, a little bit of ginger, and some garlic. So we're going to get our garlic ready first, remove the skins, and I'm going to use this microplane. Of course, you could use a garlic press or just chop it up, but I figured this would be so easy. So I'm using roughly 3 cloves. It comes out to about a tablespoon of garlic, give or take. And the little piece of garlic that I couldn't get through the mincer because I didn't want to get my fingers in, I just chopped it up. And then for the ginger, I'm going to use the same knife to peel it. Of course, a spoon works better. And I'm going to grate about a tablespoon of this. I'm not using all of this ginger for it, just about a tablespoon or so, as much as you like. To make this recipe a one-pot easy meal, we're gonna make everything inside of the Instant Pot, but we're gonna do things a little differently today. This dinner, guys, is so quick and easy to make, only requires a few minutes of hands-on time. Let me show you how easy it is to put together. These noodles come wrapped up in 2-ounce servings, so I'm gonna use 2 of them, so it's roughly 2 servings, 2 ounces a serving, and you don't need to cut them in half because they're the perfect size for my 6-quart Instant Pot. And you just want to kind of lay it in a crisscross pattern. And I'm going to use 4 cups of water. You don't need this much water, but honestly, it doesn't matter because we're going to drain it at the end. You just want to make sure you cover all of the noodles. This is an extra ingredient. I'm going to use some garlic bouillon. You don't have to use this. I do feel like it adds a little bit more flavor. Close the lid, make sure the silicone ring is on. A really great hack to get perfect results when cooking pasta is to take the recommended cooking time, the least amount of the recommended cooking time, divide it in half and add 1 minute. I'm going to cook mine for 2 minutes and allow 5 minutes of natural pressure, and then I'm going to remove my frozen veggies while it's cooking so it can defrost on the counter. I'm also going to defrost my shrimp. It's the perfect time to do this. When the Instant Pot is done, you're going to open the lid. The noodles should be cooked absolutely perfect. So we're going to remove the liner and drain it, return the liner to the Instant Pot. I'm drinking this delicious dry red. Then we're going to add in our avocado oil or any other neutral oil, our minced garlic and ginger. Press cancel on the Instant Pot and set it to saute on high. Give that about a 20 to 30 second head start. And then we're going to add in our shrimp. Of course, this shrimp is already defrosted. Give everything a good stir. Move it to about one side after about a minute. Shrimp cooks very quickly. Now we're going to add in our defrosted veggies. This recipe comes together so quickly. After about a minute to 3 minutes, we're going to add in that drained pasta, the udon noodles. Of course, they stuck a little bit to my strainer. Add in our soy sauce. I'm using gluten-free tamari. Our oyster sauce. You could add a little bit of sugar. I decided not to do this, but you can add about a teaspoon of sugar to balance it out if you like. I thought it was perfect like this. Stir everything together, and after about a minute or so of it being set to saute, it's going to look like this. Guys, this recipe is so quick and easy. If you enjoyed today's super easy recipe, give this video a big thumbs up. That way I'll know to make more recipes like it. Looking for another easy Instant Pot recipe? Click the playlist right here. I know you'll find something you'll really enjoy there, and I will see you over there. Bye, guys.